This is definitely the brightest red light therapy device that I have used to date. Now, I'm not sure if the company is called Fumit, but they have been around for a little while. They do sell a lot of different red light therapy devices, different sizes. They have some smaller ones as well. This one has 136 LEDs. As you can see, this one is quite a bit larger compared to a lot of them. There's a little power switch right there in the back where you can turn it off. Now, I don't know where I put the sunglasses or the safety glasses that they do send. They send you a pair that is like a greenish tint, kind of like what laser 3D printers will use sometimes. Now, I'll show you more of the panel itself. This one's pretty heavy too. I think it weighs about 13 or 15 pounds. So it's got a little bit of a heftiness to it. There's also this little kickstand here, so you can angle this if you want to put this on the ground and have it angled up towards you. Maybe you're doing some stretching or whatever it might be. You have versatility. You can also hang this. I'll show that here in just a minute. Now, back here's our little switch. When it is on, we do have some settings up here that we can change. So we have the red light, we have the near infrared. They're both at 100%, and you can adjust each one. All you got to do is pretty much select which one you want to do. Right now is none. You can do just red, near infrared only. So it's just, you can barely see it with your naked eye with the near infrared. And then personally, I just leave them both on. You can also change the brightness. So if you want to turn it down, or you can adjust each one individually. And you can go in there and choose which one you want to do, turn it down, turn it back up. Same thing with the red light. If you want to turn that down, you can, so it doesn't have to be as bright. But if you want the full benefits and stuff, you definitely want it to be a little bit brighter. Now, another thing that this one has, it has the pulse mode. I don't know much about the pulse mode. I was told pretty much don't really use it. It's not really beneficial for a lot of different things. But you can go into your pulse and you can change and have it just pulse the light. And you can do different, you can do faster and faster. I think all the way up to, what is it? Let me see. 300 on this one. So it's up to you if you want to use the pulse. From what I was reading, the pulse really isn't going to be for me, but if that's something that you like, you can do. You can also adjust the time. It's automatically set for a 30-minute timer, but you can adjust it to go lower or higher. Now, these red light therapy devices, they do have a lot of benefits to them. You do your own research on that. I'm not going to go into great detail just because of medical claims and stuff, but it is good for circulation. It is good for it's good for wellness, muscle recovery, and quite a few other things that they have proven that it does help with. Now, this also does have a handle here in the back where you can easily carry it. I forgot to mention that. This also is removable. You just twist these on and off if you want to hang them up, and we can easily adjust it as well. I guess I'll go ahead and hang it up and then show you part of that. Now, it does come with this little hook or this little hanger that you can put on your door that will easily support it. Just make sure your door can support it. My RV door is probably a little more iffy, but it does work. You can also adjust the length of this. So if you want it to go lower or higher, depending on if you're trying to get your torso, your face, maybe both, maybe your lower body, then you can easily lower this down. So there is a little thing that you would press up here, and it will lower the rope. And you can lower it all the way to the ground if you like. And then you can easily pull it back up if you want it higher. Now, of course, you're going to want to dress down for this. You don't want to have a bunch of clothing on because then it's not going to penetrate. But for demo purposes, I don't really want to scar anybody, so we're not going to do that today. But if you're looking for a red light therapy, full body panel, works awesome, super bright, a lot of functionality, even with the pulse control. Definitely wear your safety glasses or keep your eyes shut if you're going to be facing this on your face, because you don't want to hurt your eyes. They are really, really bright. But it's got 136 LEDs. It's got infrared. It's got near infrared. And you can pretty much customize both lights from 0 to 100% along with those pulses. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.